Good morning. Hey guys, I just woke up. It's like 9:05 or something. I woke up like 5 minutes ago. Today is the first day of class of my final year of college, which is weird. So I thought I would vlog today because why not? Also, I haven't talked about it yet, but I am in my new apartment and I will put up an apartment tour sometime soon, maybe next week. Don't hold me to that though, I don't know. Because I'm still trying to get some stuff situated. So I feel like my voice sounds really deep, or like I really just woke up. So I don't have class until 12, and right now it's like 9, so I'm gonna vlog my morning in class, and yeah, just vlog my day and see how that goes. I'm excited because it's the first day. Ugh, I need to wait until my voice is better. So I'm feeling better. I'm looking a little better too. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some breakfast. So my first class is at noon, but I think I'm gonna leave here at about 11 because it's like Monday at lunchtime. So I think I'm gonna leave an hour early, especially because it's the first day and I want to get there early and see how parking is because parking sucks on my campus. I have about an hour or so. So like I said, I'm gonna write into my bullet journal and check Blackboard. I'm getting like a rash or something on my face. I don't know if you can see it. It's like dry or something, I guess. It's like here and it's like all on this side of my face. It feels really dry and like it's really red right here. I guess you can only see it like right here, but I don't know why because I never get rashes or anything because I have pretty oily skin and I haven't done anything different, but it kind of hurts. Also, I watched Her last night for the first time because they put it on Netflix because I've always wanted to see it, but I don't think it was on Netflix before, but I watched it last night and it was so good. I was sobbing so hard. Wow. It was a really good movie. I definitely recommend it if you haven't seen it. I have this new mirror in my room because it's like on my closet and I love it. I'm so excited. I've never had like a mirror this big in my room. I can do so much. I'm gonna do a this is not a dorm, excuse me, an apartment tour video soon. Like I said, maybe next week, but who knows because I'm still trying to get it set up. Also, okay, side note, I hoard gift cards like a lot for some reason, but I had an Amazon gift card and so I finally used it and I ordered 2 things and they should get here today. And I'm really excited about it because I can show you guys what they are. So I'll probably pick those up later. So as just a brief kind of schedule outline of my day today, I have class at 12, from 12 to 12:50, and then I have another class right after that from 1 to 1:50, and then those are my only 2 classes for the day. So after that, I'm probably going to pick up those packages if they've come in already, or come in by that time. And I'm probably gonna hang out with Gavin for a little bit. Also, I want to briefly say this because I feel like some people wonder, because I talk about my boyfriend, but he hasn't been in any videos. He doesn't want to like show his face on camera yet. for some reason. It's fine, I respect his decision, so I'm not going to show him on camera until he wants to. If you want to see what he looks like, you can go on my Instagram. It's not like he's hiding his face from everything. There's plenty of pictures of him on my Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter, but he doesn't want to show his face on camera yet, which is fine. So after I pick up those packages, I'm going to go hang out with him, and then I'm probably going to come home and eat dinner or something. And then I might go to this church thing tonight. It's like a college group thing that I went to a few times last year with some friends, because they like go to that church, and so they invited me to it tonight again. So I might do that, depends on how I'm feeling and like if I have homework or not. Right now it's 10 o'clock, just turned 10 o'clock, so probably have about an hour before I leave. So also, I feel like I keep getting sidetracked. I have 3 roommates. They're all gone right now. They all have 9 a.m.s on Mondays. So you'll meet them probably tonight. So yes, okay. I have an hour. I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff. And yes. So I'm dressed and I have my makeup on, I'm good to go. This is my outfit, super fun. So now I'm going to go to my car and drive to campus. It is almost 11. I just want to find a good parking spot, and so yeah, let's go. So I finally found parking. It is now 11:12, so I'm still pretty early to class. I thought it would take a lot longer, but I think I got lucky because I found like one spot. I was looking everywhere and there were like no spots. So yeah. So right now I think I'm gonna go, I don't even know what class I have first. I need to look at my schedule first and figure out where it is. I need to fill up my water bottle. So I'll fill up my water bottle, find my class, and then I'll probably just sit outside and wait for like 40 minutes. So let's go. So I just got out of my second class. I had my first class, and then I went to my second class because they were back to back, and I'm going to hang out with Gavin. So really quick, I hope you can hear me because it's kind of like loud outside, but I didn't want to vlog like in class because it's the first day and so I don't really know the professors, and I kind of sit near the front most of the time and I didn't want to like be disrespectful or anything. So now I'm just going to see Gavin and we're probably gonna hang out. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna get an email for when the packages get here and go pick up the packages. Hey guys, I am back from hanging out with Gavin. I picked up my package, so I'm super excited about that. And I'm back at my apartment. Just hung out with Gavin for a little bit. We just played some video games and hung out. And he works tonight. So I picked up my package. I'm at my apartment. I'm gonna go in my room and get all settled. You're probably gonna see my roommates. They should be there. So yeah. Alright, so as you saw, I made myself some little tacos that I've been eating, and one of my roommates, Caitlin, was here, but she just left to go pick up our other roommate. So while I'm eating, I'm going to talk about what's in this little package right here. So like I said, I had a gift card, so I wanted to use it. So the first thing I got, which I am So excited about it. I'm excited about both of these, but so I got the Aztec Healing Clay Mask, which if you've been on the internet or know anything about skincare, you know that this is the like biggest thing for skincare. I'm so excited because I've wanted it for so long. It's supposed to be like the world's most powerful facial. I know BuzzFeed did a video about it a little bit ago, and it has like over 18,000 reviews on Amazon, and they're all like, not all, but most of them are like 5 stars and 4 stars and stuff. It's supposed to like clear up your acne like super fast. So super excited to try this because who wouldn't be? So I actually think I'm going to make a video about it and like about my results, like try it for a week or something, and record that to kind of see how, like, if it helps. So yes, very exciting. The next thing I got, I'm also very excited to try. I don't care if this is TMI because I'm pretty open about this stuff. I got a Lena cup or a Lena cup. I don't know, I've heard it both ways, but it's a menstrual cup, like the Diva cup. I'm saying cup way too much, but everyone knows about the Diva cup, so it's a menstrual cup. I am so excited because I have been researching menstrual cups to see like what I want and everything for so long, like for like a year now, and I finally decided on one that I wanted to try because I've never tried a menstrual cup before. So I'm so excited. It comes with like this little pouch to keep it in. Again, if you're sensitive to this stuff, then that's fine. I'm pretty open about all of this. But look! It's a little menstrual cup. I'm so excited. I always feel so bad like using pads and tampons because like, one, they cost so much money, like it adds up, and also just like the environment, like it's so much wasted plastic and cardboard and stuff like that, that I'm just like playing with it. And also TMI, as a side effect of my birth control, I have the Nexplanon, which is the implant in your arm. As a side effect of that, I have been on my period nonstop for ever since I've had this, so a year and a half now. So it's annoying having to have pads and tampons every single day of your life. If you guys want to know how this goes for me, like comment down below and I'll totally do a video on it if that's something that you guys want to see, if you're also looking for a menstrual cup, or if you're interested in the Lena cup, however you say it. I can totally do a video about that, I do not mind, but I think it's important to know that kind of stuff, so if you're interested, comment down below. But yeah, I'm for sure going to do a video trying this stuff out, and I think it'll be really cool. So those are the only 2 things I got from Amazon, and that's again because I had a gift card. Bought them with my money, and also because I'm a student and get Amazon Prime for 6 months. I was like, why not? So yes, that is what I got. Now I'm going to finish eating my tacos that I've been chomping on for a little bit. I should do like mukbangs. Okay, honestly, I've been seeing like ASMR and like mukbangs and stuff, like eating videos, not just eating videos but ASMR in general, kind of getting really popular lately, and low-key, like I've watched ASMR for like well over a year now, and I almost can't fall asleep without it, and I love watching eating videos. Comment down below if you want to see me do a mukbang also. If you don't know what a mukbang is, it's like an eating show. It's like a Korean eating show. I know a lot of people, like normal YouTubers, are starting to do them more. So that's pretty cool because I've been watching those for a while. I think it's like almost 7, but I have that church thing that I was talking about earlier tonight. I still don't know if I'm gonna go because I'm the most socially anxious person ever. But I feel like I might because I've already gone before and it was fine. It was good. Class went well. I think it was a good first day. Also, I know this video is supposed to be like a first day of school vlog. I might also vlog tomorrow, depending on how long it is. I don't think it's gonna be that long with what I have right now. But because I think the way most universities are, at least mine is like, you know, you have classes Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but you also have different classes Tuesday and Thursday. So like today's Monday, so I had new classes today, but then I'm also gonna, like tomorrow's technically also gonna be a first day for me all as well, because it's different classes. So I might also film tomorrow because it's like first day. I don't know. All I know is right now I really want to eat this burrito. Hey guys, it's now like 11 p.m. I went to church. It was good, it was fun. I showered, I'm home. I'm gonna go to bed because I'm at 8 a.m. Also, that's the whole reason I recorded this. I am going to film tomorrow because technically tomorrow is a new day for me because it's new classes and new professors and everything. Because like I said earlier, I have Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes and Tuesday, Thursday classes. So I'm also going to film tomorrow. This is going to be a 2-day vlog. So yeah, I'm going to go to bed and wake up for my 8 a.m. So I'll see you in the morning. Good morning guys, I hope you can hear me. I don't have my headphones in. It's the next morning, it is Tuesday, and I woke up kind of, well I didn't wake up late. I purposely let myself sleep in a little bit more because I did not go to bed that early last night. So I'm getting in my car now to go to class. I'm still pretty early, it's like 7:20. My class starts at 8, but I did just want to be early just in case because of parking. I have 3 classes in a row today. So I went at 8 and then I'm in class until 12:20 nonstop, and then I'm done, so that's good. So I will probably see you guys later at like 12:30 after all of my classes. Hey guys, I am holding this a little lower because I'm parked and there's someone in the car next to me, so I'm gonna make this quick. I hope you can hear me also. Sorry I haven't vlogged much today. I just hung out with Gavin and we don't really do anything. We just kind of played Overwatch and took a nap. So I just got back to my apartment. I'm done with everything for the day. It is 5:45, so I'm gonna make dinner and probably gonna end the vlog soon. I'm gonna try to see if my roommates are home because I know they wanted to be in the video. So yeah, I'll see you in a second. Hey, this is Caitlin.
Hello.
This is Sydney.
Hello.
And they're my roommates.
The idea is that can arrive spontaneously on any matter at any time.
Hey guys, welcome back. I just made some dinner. It's like these Korean noodles. It's vegan. So excited. I like this little setup we have going on. I'm a fan of it, and it is probably going to happen a lot. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm just gonna eat dinner and chill out the rest of the night. I'm not doing anything else really. I hope you guys had fun following me around on my first 2 days of school. I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more now that I'm in my apartment. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, maybe. It'd be nice. I hope this isn't too long of a video. But yes, I hope you all had wonderful first days of school, back to school. I hope you had a good first day, and I will see you guys in my next video.